Today we'll be discussing the inner workings of the coping mind. In this episode, we'll be following Jared DeVito, who has been coping with his childhood trauma by treating stuffed animals like his children.
Shh! You could have woke them up! Oh great. Now look what you did. Hi, my name is Jared. I'm 22 years young. I collect unwanted stuffed animals and give them to toddlers. It's a really nice thing. But I have to do checkups on most of them. It all started when I was a little boy. You know, my father took me out to a garage sale. The most disgusting place on earth.
And why is that such a bad place?
It's basically a black market. They sell their like unwanted bodies for such a low price, like what, maybe a quarter, 2 cents. It's honestly revolting. I'm very confident I have a special gift. I can hear them talking to me. It's you. Look how big you've gotten. You don't say. Did you now? I like the shirt, looking great, man. Oh, I love you. And look at your fur, it's so pink. That's great. It's all so good. You're all doing so good. We even have group therapy sessions. Help them get past, you know, really bad trauma. I provide them with the finest food. You know, they really love it. We go out on picnics and everything. Come on, you guys. Gotta represent, you know? Put you right here. 'Cause you're the star. You're the main star of the show. Oh no, you fell off. It's fine. We all fall off sometimes. Oh, where's your baby? There, that little bugger is. But I have to go away most of the time. They're pretty shy eaters. Alright, bye. No, don't eat too much, you know. Alright, okay. Bye-bye. Aw, you hear how loud they eat? They're so cute. I think they're done. Whoa, some of you guys gotten really dirty. You might need a bath.
Yeah, I've been here for the past week. I got kicked out of my house and all I had was this animal costume. And Jared picked me up because he thought I was a neglected stuffed animal, but I'm just a neglected human. I'm just here because he makes the best pasta.
Around this time of year, I like to infiltrate and release some of the animals that have been held captive inside the most disgusting place on earth. A garage sale. Look at that. You see that? That's not how I'm gonna save them.
Hey, what are you doing? Come back!
Ma'am. Okay, here's the money for the stuffed animals. It's for research, okay?
Go! Be free! You'll never take them! Look at them. They're out here, in the wild, where they need to be! I just rescued so many.
Okay, Jared. I think that's all we need for today. And my medical advice is that you need to be sent to psych ward immediately.
What? No. What do you mean? You please.
Jared, it's for the best.
No, it's not.
Jared,
Rex,
please.
where's Rex? Take care of your brothers and sisters.
Wait! What about the spaghetti? No!
I love you.